It's the day, you all. Today is the day that I am going to get that front enclosed porch tore down and put back together. So I am at the store about to pick up some of the framing material so that way the guys could get started. The entire porch area, enclosed porch, is coming all the way down, and I'm gonna have it rebuilt. Now, if you remember, if you don't remember, but I was trying to decide whether or not I was going to get it repaired. And so after several quotes, several estimates, came to find out that it'll probably be safer and more effective if I just get it torn down and put back up. So today is the day. I'm gonna get these materials and head right over to the house. All right, today is the day, you all. We are taking down this enclosed. Careful now. So this is coming down. I have Jesus, who is starting. His other guys are coming. They're gonna take the entire enclosed porch down. And after that, you'll see the brand new structure get put back up. We're gonna go from there. You got insurance, Jesus? You got insurance? You falling? No fall. Oh. All right, you all stay tuned. It's gonna be beautiful. You all, look what Jesus found. A beehive. It was a beehive up in there. Whole house by hand. All right. No insulation. All right. Already. Few minutes, got that out. Already. Be careful so the roof don't fall. Be careful so the roof don't fall. Okay. All right, you all, look what they got done. They getting it down. They got the roof down. They are getting it down. Yes, good job, good job. Fast too. Yep, got it all. Getting it down. What's that? The fire? Yeah. I'm gonna go watch the fire. Yeah. That's it, coming down. Well, look at this corner right here. It used to be enclosed in and it open. So this is the goal today. Every day there's a goal, you all, and the goal for today is to get that enclosed porch right there down. So as you all see in the footage, it is going down. All right, you all, this is the last of that porch. This is it. We got it up. This is it. for last. Alright, this is it. They did a great job.